Hello, this is Willed and Well Armed. Today we're going to cover a nice pistol by CZ. It's called CZ85 Combat. So the CZ85 Combat is built like a shadow. It doesn't have the firing pin. The reason it's called a combat is because you can take out the firing pin without any tools in the field if needed. So this CZ has a lot of Cajun Gunworks parts in it. Has the 85 combat trigger, of course. It came with that, but it also has all the other upgrades, including a new hammer. And then from CZ in Czech Republic, I got aluminum grips for it as well. Not real happy with those, but anyway, we'll take a look at it, and then at the end of this video, we're going to compare it to a CZ75 Pre-B full transitional, so you can see the difference in those two guns. All right, now we're here for the tabletop review, and this is the 85 Combat. Notice that it does not have the roll pin mark for the firing pin block. That makes this easy to change out the firing pin in combat situation without tools. This does have the fully adjustable for elevation and windage sight. Comparing it to a Pre-B, this does have the full trigger guard. This came out as the full transitional CZ75 Pre-B. Notice it has as a modern, it does have the roll pin. This is discontinued by CZ. It also has the squared off trigger guard. It has the modern day safety, and it also has the magazine that modern, the same as the CZ75. The difference in this and the Pre-B is it's fully ambi, so it has both controls on left and right, and also you'll see the safeties there. These are new grips, and so it's got a pretty incredible trigger on this. It's about like the my Shadow 2. So we'll do a couple trigger pulls, but first we'll check the magazine and make sure it's clear. Yes, it's clear. So we'll do some trigger pulls. So first trigger pull, we'll see how has a lot of uptake right there. Hits the wall, a little bit of creep, no grind, grit, release. Pull again. Pretty good reset. Here we go again. I think I need to adjust that trigger. It does have the adjustment notice there. Here we go. A lot of uptake. That's almost feels like a half inch. It's so much. I'm not used to seeing that. I forgot how much it was. Hit the wall. A little bit of creep. Pull the trigger. And release. Now let's see what it looks like on the 2 pounds 14 ounce, 2 pounds 13 ounce, 2 pounds 8 ounce, 2 pounds 11 ounce. I think this is the final one. 2 pounds 10 ounce. Average of those 5, 2 pounds 11 ounces. We'll look at the weight of this. 34 ounces. That is how many grams? 946. We'll compare it to the full transitional. Please look at my other video for a better description. But this is 920 grams or 32.5 ounces. Again, 34 ounces, a bit lighter than the original Pre-B, and then a little bit lighter in the grams. I only like the CZs without the trigger firing pin block. So this is considered a Pre-B or something like that. If you have any questions, let me know down in the description below. If you like these type videos, please let me know. Follow, like, subscribe, share, whatever you can do to help. This is a new channel. We've only been around for less than a month. Have a great day. Thank you. As an Eagle Scout, be prepared.